Tastes like sweet cherry pie, so gorgeous every man's your drops. When will you choose my straw? So fine you put flowers to shame. You've got all the guys playing your game. In the moonlight I will ask you to dance. Will you let me taste sweet romance? I throw the penny into the wishing well. What that wish is I will never tell. Can I be by your side at night? Can I be your everlasting light? I will be your warrior. I'll be the one who takes care of you. Just let me know when the shit gets tight. Oh baby, please let me at night. I'll be the one to control disease. I'll change the weather anytime you please. Everyone will know your name. If you please just be my queen. I throw my penny into the wishing well. What that wish is I will never tell. Can I be beside your side at night? Can I be your everlasting light? Can I be your everlasting light? I throw my faith into that wishing well. I pray that God don't go to hell. No, no. I throw that faith into that wishing well. I pray that God I don't go to hell. No, no. Throw my faith into that wishing well. I pray that God I don't go to hell. No. I throw my penny into the wishing well. What that wish is I will never tell. Can I be by your side at night? Can I be your everlasting light? Can I be your everlasting light? Well, hi there, pluckers. Ivor Sawfingers back with you again with hopefully another interesting little lesson for you. This is a song by a band called The Dead South, okay? I've done a few of their numbers in the past. Quite a popular little outfit, this lot. Obviously there's a lot of banjo going on in their songs and stuff, but this is my interpretation for a single acoustic guitar, okay? And the song's called Wishing Well, okay, for those of you who are interested. I'm in standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key, E minor sort of key that they recorded and played the song, okay? So hopefully if you're interested in this sort of thing, you will join me in a couple of days and I'll break it down for you. Thanks a lot for watching and listening. See you soon, hopefully. Bye for now.